So next, hydrogen spectrum. Already you know that hydrogen is available in the form of H2 molecule. So in the form of your H2 say molecule. So that is here in the form of your gas. In the presence of silent electric discharge, this splits into hydrogen atoms. In the presence of silent electric discharge, that hydrogen molecule here splits into hydrogen here atoms. Each hydrogen atom contains one electron because the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and configuration is 1s1. That's why one electron is present. Each hydrogen atom contains here one electron. If this electron is irradiated with energy, then this electron absorbs that energy. So if irradiated, అంటే ఆ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కానీ ఎనర్జీ కానీ ఇచ్చామంటే ఆ ఎనర్జీ మొత్తాన్ని ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అబ్జార్బ్ చేసేసుకొని ఎగ్జైటెడ్ స్టేట్కి వెళ్తుంది, అంటే హయ్యర్ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సార్ జస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఎనర్జీస్ 10 అనుకుందాము. సార్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్బిట్ సరికి ఏమన్నా 10 ఉంది, సెకండ్ ఆర్బిట్ 20, థర్డ్ ఆర్బిట్ 30, ఫోర్త్ ఆర్బిట్ 40. లెట్స్ అస్యూమ్ దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ అబ్జార్బింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ 50 kilojoules energy can absorb చేసుకుందనుకోమా, then sir this excited to 5th orbit. Sir 50 kilojoules energy is absorbed, then this electron jumps from 1st orbit to your 5th orbit. Sir at that stage is unstable because this hydrogen is stable in 1st orbit, stable in ground state. In excited state that is not stable. For stabilization, that electron loses its energy either direct or indirect. Sir, direct or indirect. The loss of energy appears in the spectrum. That spectrum is called hydrogen spectrum. Sir, that spectrum is called hydrogen spectrum. Sir, here same thing I given this. Sir, actually that hydrogen is available in the form of H2 gas. In the presence of silent electric discharge, this hydrogen molecule splits into hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom contains one electron. That's why say are very simple. That spectrum is very simple. After absorbing of energy, this electron gets excitation. Excitation means higher energy level. Say in excited state that is unstable. So unstable. For stabilization, de-excitation takes place by loss of energy. By loss of energy, either direct or indirect steps. Direct or indirect step. That loss of energy appears in the spectrum is called hydrogen spectrum. అది లాస్ అయ్యే ఎనర్జీని వచ్చేసరికి మనకి స్పెక్ట్రాలో క్లియర్గా కనపడుతుందము. ఆ స్పెక్ట్రానే మనం హైడ్రోజన్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్ అంటాము. ఆ లాస్ అయ్యే ఎనర్జీని సార్ బేస్ చేసుకొని స్పెక్ట్రమ్ వచ్చేసరికి 5 సిరీసెస్గా డివైడ్ చేశారు. That spectrum divided into 5 series. Those are Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen, Brackett and Fund series. Okay, later I will explain here about that series. Here first see this hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen atom has one electron and the spectrum is here simple. In the presence of silent electric discharge, hydrogen gas splits into hydrogen atoms. Sir, electron share of hydrogen atom absorbs energy and gets excitation. Sir, in excited state, hydrogen atom is unstable. For stabilization, this undergoes de-excitation by loss of energy. Sir, in single step or several step. Sir, the loss of energy levels here given as lines in the spectrum as follows. So already here given. Sir, here total 5 series are present. Say 5 series. Those are Lyman series. So next, say here Balmer series. So next here Paschen, Brackett and P-Fund series. Sir, P-Fund series. Sir, Lyman series. Okay, what is your Lyman series? In excited state, any excited state, so electron here that loss of energy from excited state to any excited state, any higher, sir, energy level, sir, energy level to, say here, sir, first, say here, level. Any higher energy level to first energy level, that is called Lyman series. So what is Lyman series? Sir, the loss of energy from any higher energy level to first excited, here first excited state or first level, that is a ground state, that is called Lyman series. Here this Balmer series is any higher energy level to your second level. Here any higher energy level to second level, that is called Balmer series. Here Parchan series. This Parchan series is any higher energy level to third level. Sir, third level, that is called Parchan series. Next here bracket series. Any higher energy level to your fourth level. Any higher energy level to fourth level, that is called bracket series. Sir, Pfund series. Any higher energy level to, sir, fifth level is called here Pfund series. Sir, Lyman series is any higher energy level to first level, Lyman series. Here Balmer series, all the lines, sir, must located on first level. If any excited level to, say first level, sir, that located on first level. Next here Balmer series. Here higher energy level to second level. That means, say any higher energy level to second level means here all the lines are located, say second level. Next, sir, Parchan series. Higher energy level to, say your third level, sir, bracket, higher energy level to fourth level. Pfund is higher energy level to your fifth level. This is called here, sir, different types of series. Based on that de-excitation, these 5 series are formed. These 5 series. And all these are formed not in same region. This Lyman series, this formed in UV region. This Balmer series, sir, this formed in visible region. This Parchan is near IR. This bracket, sir, this is here formed in mid IR. This Pfund series is here far IR region. So if you remember, write on near, mid, here far. If not, just you have to write on IR regions. So only that Lyman is UV. UV means ultraviolet region. Balmer means your visible region. That Parchan is near IR. Bracket is mid IR. Sir, Pfund is far IR, say region. Sir, this is here about, say here series, here hydrogen spectrum. So once I will explain, so here this hydrogen spectrum by drawing. So now see the spectrum. Sir, total just you have to draw 7 energy levels. Sir, this is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6 and n is equal to 7. Sir, just I here explained from any higher energy level to, sir, first level. Sir, this is your Lyman series. Here higher to 1. Or else here 6 also excited state. With respect to 1, sir, second is excited state, third also excited, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, all these are excited states with respect to 1. Sir, that's why that loss of energy from higher to 1 or 6 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1, here 3 to 1, sir, 2 to 1. This is called, say here, Lyman series. Lyman series. Next here Balmer series. From higher to, say here 2. From higher to, say here 2. Sir, this is called say here Balmer. Higher to second. Once you have to see, all the lines are located in second, from higher excited state to second. Here higher excited state to 1. Next, say here Pachan from higher to third excited state or third level. This is called, say here, Pachan series. From higher to fourth, say here that is, say here bracket series. Say here bracket, say here series. Next, from higher to 5, sir, this is called, say here, sir, prefund series. Say here prefund series, sir, this is here spectrum. From higher to 1. Once you have to observe, all the lines are in 1, n is equal to 1 level. All the lines are n is equal to 2. All the lines are n is equal to 3. All the lines are n is equal to, say here 4, here n is equal to 5. Sir, these are, sir, different types of here series. Okay. Sir, this is, say here, sir, hydrogen, here spectrum. Here hydrogen spectrum. Lyman series, Balmer, Pachan, bracket, Pfund series. Here same thing, say here given, sir, Lyman series, UV region, N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you have observed, sir, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1. In Balmer series, that appears in visible region. N1 is equal to 2, that is their constant. N2 is higher energy level, that is their 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2 or 7 to 2 like that. Next, sir, Pachan series. Sir, that Pachan series, N1 value is constant. N2 is 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Sir, bracket series, that is your near IR. Say here N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Bracket series, mid IR, that N1 value, lower energy level. Sir, lower energy, next is there 5, 6, 7. Sir, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Here Pfund series, that appears in far IR region. Far IR region, sir, 6 to 5, 7 to 5, 8 to 5 like that. 6, 7 and so on. Sir, these are, sir, this is here, sir, that table, sir, regarding, sir, this is spectrum. Sir, regarding this is spectrum. And the important one is, some are drawn, say here, this spectrum here in different ways. Due to that reason, sir, we lost the marks. How they drawn? Here, how some of the students here drawn the spectrum. So, if we draw like that, we lost the marks. Okay, see. Sir, some are drawn like this. Sir, due to that reason, sir, they lost the marks. So, how they drawn? So, from higher to this one. Next, higher to this. So, higher to, so this one. So, in this case, what is the Lyman series? All the lines, say here, sir, that de-excitation to 1. But here, all the lines are not de-excitation to 1. So, this first line is the de-excitation to 1. Second is here 2. Third is here, sir, 3, 4, 5. And Balmer series, here they drawn like this. Sir, due to this, here we lost the marks. Sir, this is here wrong one. And some are draws like this. Sir, completely here drawn. Oh, here 4, 5 lines are drawing. So, next is in Balmer series. Okay, 4, 5 lines ఈ విధంగా డ్రా చేస్తుంటారమ్మా. Here this is also wrong. So, once you have to see here already, see this is spectrum. 1, 1, 11 decreases from top but not bottom. Say here all the Lyman series, all the lines are, say here in 1. Say in Balmer series in 2. In Pachan 3. Bracket 4. Sir, Pfund 5. Here like this. Sir, this is, say here hydrogen, here spectrum.